Today we're going to take a little look at the new biologic digital soil meters we're going to be using. These pH meters are going to be used to test the pH of your soil and give you a good idea whether you're needing to add a lot of lime to your soil for better growth. They're real simple to use, not a lot to them. Just turn the unit on, gently push it in the ground. Obviously a wet soil is going to be the best, where you got some good contact in there. If it's a real dry soil, you might want to break it up, put it in a bucket with some distilled water and wet the dirt to get you a good reading. But we've got good moist dirt here in this little duck compound that we're going to be planting, and we want to get a good idea of what the pH is out here. And it's going to start off at 7 when the unit's turned on, and as you sit there and let it read, it's going to start reading your pH off. And I'd suggest leaving it in there a minute and a half, 2 minutes. Also, there's a white collar on the bottom of the tip of the probe, and you want to make sure in between soil tests that you clean that off with a small Scotch Brite pad and keep that real clean, and keep the other dirt from other fields off of it so that you're getting a true reading for each particular field. It looks like this field's going to end up being about a 5.5 pH, which is fairly low, so it'll definitely need a couple of tons to the acre's worth of lime to get this thing up there where it needs to be. Alright, we'll clean this off and get it ready for the next field. Like I said, these are digital meters, so it's going to give you a lot better precise reading of what that particular field is, instead of having to judge where a needle's jumping back and forth from on a regular analog type scale to take a judge on what your pH is. But these are going to be really accurate and give you a really good idea of what your current pH is.